Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right in and learn how to set task dependencies in Todoist, your complete guide for the year 2025. First up, open your Todoist app and go to the project where you want to set dependencies. Why is this necessary? Well, you see, task dependencies allow you to link tasks that need to be done in a specific order, so pinpointing the exact project is crucial. Once you're in the project, find and click on the task you want to set as a dependency. This helps us because it lets Todoist know which task is the main one that others will be dependent on. Now that we've done that, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a chain link. Click on that. The reason we do this is because this is the Dependencies feature. This is where we'll establish the order of our tasks. Next up, you'll be prompted to add a task. Here's where you'll type in the task that is dependent on the first task you chose. Then click Add. This helps us because it creates a clear sequence of which tasks need to be done before others. Finally, repeat these steps for any other tasks that need to be set as dependent on the first task. Let me explain why this matters. By setting multiple dependencies, you're creating a clear workflow that can help you stay organized and efficient. And there you have it. You've now learned how to set task dependencies in Todoist. Remember, setting task dependencies allows you to organize tasks that need to be done in a specific order, helping you stay on track and accomplish your goals in a systematic way. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.